Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I'll be talking about the Orchid and Bonsai show Malaysia. Orchids in the genus Phalaenopsis are monopolial, epiphytic, sometimes lithophytic herbs with long, coarse roots and short leafy stems hidden by overlapping leaf bases. The leaves are usually arranged in two rows, relatively large and leathery, oblong to elliptic, and sometimes succulent. A few too many small to large, long-lasting, flat, often fragrant flowers are arranged on erect to hanging, racemes, or panicles. The sepals and petals are free-formed and spread widely apart from each other. The lateral sepals are usually larger than the dorsal sepal and the petals much wider than the sepals. The labellum is joined stiffly to the column and has 3 lobes. The side lobes are erect and more or less parallel to each other, and the middle lobe sometimes has a pair of appendages or antennae. Orchids and Tropical Bonsai Show. A Splash of Brilliance showcases the beautiful specimens, renowned collections in immersive, vibrant displays. There is no better escape from hot, sunny days than a stroll through our verdant glasshouse. And A Splash of Brilliance provides color, warmth, and wellness in a space where safety is the highest priority. The theme every year is different. Orchids and bromeliad following on from theme flowers used in previous years since 2007, such as Bonsai, Hibiscus, Heliconia, Rose, Bougainvillea, Begonia, Lily, and Chrysanthemum. It promises to be a sweet-smelling event and should not be missed. Floral Pavilion is an air-conditioned room for floral displays by international and local exhibitors and sponsored by several foreign embassies showcasing the flowers of their respective countries. Sit back and relax while you enjoy the beautiful Orchid and Bonsai Show Malaysia. Like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon. See you guys later. Bye.